How fans see the characters. How normies see the characters. You like candy? Because there's lots in my cab. Waiter, your steak, sir. Very rare. Me, wow, that's rare. Babe, it's 7 p.m. Time to take those tankers. Yes, honey. Thomas fan, this community is becoming so expansive on so many platforms. The community. Thomas Trackmaster Train Oliver new in box. 525 sold. Me when the chocolate I bought is advertised as sharing size. The fat controller laughed. You are wrong. Reverend W. Audrey. Andrew Brenner. You who thought this was gonna be mad tell. Yet another young actor's life ruined by drugs and alcohol. Girls, men don't know what it's like to feel pain. Men. eBay sellers. The truth that Tommy Oliver isn't rare. Sir Handel and Peter Sam barely bump into each other. Duke, this world never suit his grace. Thomas fan that never did anything. After 5 years of the working, I'm gonna cancel my big movie. Everyone. Upgrade. Go back. I said go back. Showing my mom my Thomas edit. The fastest things on earth. Cheetah. Aeroplane. Speed of light. Normies when they think of Thomas's top speed. Edward when he hears Gordon got stuck up his hill again. Ah crap, here we go again. Friend, come on. The movie is not that scary. The movie. Teacher, who would like to present next? The class. I think I forgot something. If you forgot them, it wasn't important. Yeah, you're right. No one. Not a single soul. White Gordon. Another actor ruined by drugs and alcohol. 8 bro, that's it. You've lost toad privileges. It is time to go. Was I not good enough? No. I'm told you are the best. When someone watches your Thomas the Train memes. Thank you for watching. For more meme videos, send your memes to me through Twitter or email.